おはよう。おはよう。I literally just woke up. Hello everyone. I did not fall asleep. I woke up 10 minutes before the stream. But some things didn't work right away. Ohayo. Hello. Today we are going on a vacation. We have recently played Super Mario 64, which was fun for the first stream. But everything that came after the first stream was horrible and painful. とても苦しみのあるゲームでしたので諦めました。So, we move on to a game that I have way better memories with. Way better. I never finished this game and I never played it completely. But I remember playing it every now and then a little bit. Probably I just used my brother's saving data. This music. Yeah, probably just always used my brother's saving data and then played a little bit. But it's so nostalgic to me. I love it. Let's go. 行こう。やったことあるけどクリアしたことない。Oh my god. I missed. Let's go. Have a vacation. Super Mario Sunshine. Woohoo! 来たこれ。よし。Fight me. Wait, am I supposed to shoot into the mouth? Wait, let me get more water. I got water. You thirsty? Wait, how do I do it again? Okay. Wake up! It's morning time! Oh, yeah, I have to aim for the mouth. Yes, yep. Drink it! Hydration check, my friends. みんなちゃんと水分取ってね。
Behold this sketch of the perpetrator based
Wasn't
on
me.
eyewitness descriptions.
I just literally came to the... Can you maybe start thinking logically? I just came to the island. Didn't you see the goddamn plane? If you would use your goddamn brains for 1 second. 私この島に来たばかりなんだけど。マジ勘弁。Objection! Wait, did I accept my plea? No, doesn't look like it.
This appears to be quite a predicament, Mario. Data analysis.
It's bullshit. I tell you, it's bullshit.
Inhabitants are indeed troubled by
I
pollution.
just came to this island, boy. How was I supposed to do all this damage?
Mario, you witnessed this object
Idiot!
in the airstrip, correct? It is a shine sprite. Shine sprites are the source of power on Isle Delfino.
I know. うまいやったー、まあ、完全に証券プレイじゃないけど Wow, here, look, it's all gone. It's all gone. Nice! The path is clear. Victory! Yahoo! That's the first sunshine in here? Oh, I thought I have to go to the top already. Nice! Of those. Oh yeah! Oh yes, this is what I wanted to see and hear. Oh yes. Okay, this is where I practice my jumping skills. And we will have no aggression whatsoever. Just happiness. Just good vibes. Ah! We're having a good time. We're just having a good time. And I know I have to jump on those nails, but this will be a bit difficult. Oh, ground pound! Oh! One more! Yeah! One more! Hey! Oh, all you give me for that is a coin? I'll take it. Okay, forget that. Forget that name. I'm so scared. Just walk, Mario. Bye bye. Panic time. No problem. Thank God we start in here again and not outside. Okay, this was just a warm-up. We will not fail anymore. Ah! Ah! How many more times can I try until I'm game over? Two more. No, wait, 0. Okay. Concentration, Kiara. For real, just concentrate. It's not that hard. It's the first one anyway. So it can't even be that hard. Oh, the one up is over there? Yeah, so easy to reach. Thank you very much. Thank you. I kind of need it now. I have a feeling I will not survive this. Oh, wait. I don't even have my pumps. Oh, god damn it. Eh? I haven't really practiced my jumping much. Is this a normal jump? Probably this is a normal jump, right? Have confidence. Okay! Have confidence. ここ絶対落ちるわね。絶対落ちるね。What? Do I stop in the middle or do I keep on jumping? Oh, there's a train! Choo choo! Chaka 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 chaka. Choo choo! Chaka 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 chaka. Choo choo! Phew. Okay. Jump and then stop. Ah ha ha ha! I can never stop. Oh, don't fall asleep, Mario. Oh god. Ah! No, Mario! No, no, no! Get up there! Okay, wait. I'm so scared!